sometimes.
But that's working. This can't get any more fly. You posted that on YouTube?
No.
Wait, do you get paid for making videos?
No, I'm gonna start doing that, but
Do that by making airsoft videos.
yeah.
I heard that you with that Maxwell, like I saw that video, like the Maxwell, like you would trade this just like people, and yeah. Start over here like. That's another floor, right?
Mhm.
I'm just like.
Guys, you know how to play the timer game, right?
What?
I didn't say anything.
Oh, I think that's something. Usually when I see people with it's just decorated. But that actually works.
Well, I need to fill it with foam because it actually sounds as if I fill it with foam.
Oh.
So, yeah.
Part of the Bronx News?
No, just some kid.
Shut the hell.
Hey, I'm not being mean. I'm not being mean. I'm just saying.
I know.
You're like,
I'm on another team.
What?
I'm on another team.
Let me get straighter.
What?
That's
No.
the name.
No. Oh, wait, no. It's on the back.
I don't have my patch on today. It's ineffective. Yellow, bang.
I like...
Yellow, let's go.
We just spawned in there. Are you in that group with like 20 people in that one group?
Huh?
Got 6 mags.
Should be good. Maybe.
Oh, it's definitely good.
You're gonna have so much fun shooting that gun.
Is that to charge it?
No,
So it's good.
it doesn't charge. Yeah. Where do you want to go? You want to go straight into it? You get it?
At first, we'll go straight in. What are we playing?
Yeah.
I'm gonna run POW. To the desk. Dude. You ain't open that fucking hell.
This guy's thinking. This guy. Yeah.
And he was just looking at me like, oh, cool.
Yeah.
That sounds good.
To the death. I really want to play full contact.
What's that?
You know, if you're like clearing a room, you can just go boom and start like actual fighting.
Really?
Yeah, I really want to do that. During Bumpkin Fest, we can do that. So it's what?
When is it?
I have no idea. Ayla has to arrange it.
I know a couple kids are rushing.
Definitely come all padded.
Oh yeah. Come with a hockey stick. Come with a hockey stick. Baseball bat. Put on my back.
Buy one of those fucking things.
Yeah, right?
Take tomahawk and...
See, like, we play on our adult night, we play No Bang Bang. So you can just go up. I like it. I don't know. I like it.
I like no bang bang.
Yeah, yeah.
Because if I see someone, they just run in bang bang.
Exactly.
They wouldn't shoot
And
me.
if you bang bang, you don't know if you really got them if there's a shitload
Right,
of people.
exactly.
So you gotta fucking shoot them. So.
You just ricochet and hit them all. Nice, I like the He turned it around.
It's like a $2,000 gun.
1200.
What?
1200.
400?
12.
Oh yeah,
He
yeah.
told me.
Yeah.
We're going this way.
Yeah. We go straight in, right?
Right.
Okay.
Straight in. First one on the left.
Okay.
And we'll just hold there.
First room on the left. Oh, you take first the room on the left. I'll take the
No.
second room on the right, or the first room on the right.
Well, you
Because we gotta get the timer too.
So you go back, I'll go right, and we'll
Okay.
move up.
Okay.
Who's going to shoot that out? All three of you?
Yeah.
Alright.
We're going up, I'm going left, he's going right.
Wait, the tornado ones are...
Wait, which way? Who's going which way?
I'm going left,
Yeah?
he's going right. The way you see it is the way we're going.
Tornado's
I'm on your left, he's on your right.
So which way do you want me to go?
Is that where you want?
Just cover. Make sure they don't keep them down in suicide. Like, don't let them pop their heads out.
Just don't let them come up. Just
Oh,
shoot them
don't
down.
let them go to suicide out.
Right, don't let them get inside.
Okay, I can do that. Maxwell up website?
Yep.
How much money did you spend on customizing?
Probably about 1,000.
Okay, that's
I have a lot of internal stuff in it too.
Oh,
See, like, look at the trigger.
He has an ACU MOSFET.
wow.
He thinks he's so badass. I have one too, you know.
Yeah, but yours doesn't work.
Huh?
Yours doesn't work.
Well, I already returned it to the company. I'm
Ooh.
getting a new one.
Let me install it for
Wait,
you.
how did you?
No, I know how to do it myself.
You obviously
I just
don't.
did it.
Calm down.
Pause.
Yeah, fall. Wait, how did you even make it like that?
I open up the gearbox.
Wait, so what did you put in there?
A MOSFET. And
Smart
gears.
control unit.
Yo. I know. Yo, whenever we do a free for all, I just sit in the tent, wait for somebody to come in and shoot them.
Oh wait, you guys, wait, they played free for all?
They have. Yeah, right.
Anyone ever? Is this just me who has an LMG here? I think it is. I have an LMG at home.
No.
What?
I don't have an LMG.
I have an MP49. Just run around out there. I just stand over for like. Usually, like some.
Go.
Come on! Are you serious? Yeah, we got it. Just keep it down. He's friendly. Trader, move up. Yo. Yo!
I got somebody coming on that side. Not coming in, they were.
Alright. Tell me if you need help.
Watch the outhouse. You got the outhouse too?
Yeah, I got it.
Alright.
Start!
Get in.
Get in one of the rooms.
Guys, watch this window. Watch over here. Watch over here.
Are you out? Yeah. Alright. Good shit.
Yo, you really not gonna call that? Yeah, I know. I shot your hand.
Really?
Me? Oh. Double out, whatever. Just don't worry about it.